Czech Republic-Russia relations are the bilateral foreign relations between the Czech Republic and the Russian Federation. Unlike Russia, the Czech Republic is a member of Western institutions including the European Union, NATO and the OECD. Relations have substantially deteriorated in recent years due to events such as the Russian annexation of Crimea in 2014 and the poisoning of Sergei Skripal in 2018. Both countries are full members of the Council of Europe and the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe. The Czech Republic has an embassy in Moscow and 2 consulates general. The Russian Federation has an embassy in Prague and 2 consulate generals. During the entire medieval period and early modern period, the Czech lands, in the form of Duchy of Bohemia and Kingdom of Bohemia, were aligned with the Catholic Holy Roman Empire and later Austrian Empire. Czechoslovakia recognized the Soviet Union de jure in 1934. On 16 May 1935, the Czechoslovak-Soviet Treaty of Mutual Assistance was signed between the two governments that followed the similar treaty between the USSR and France, which was Czechoslovakia's major ally. Following the German occupation of Czechoslovakia and the establishment of the pro-German Slovak state in March 1939, the Soviet Union promptly recognized the new status quo and terminated diplomatic relations with Czech representatives. Shortly after the Munich Agreement, many Czechoslovak communists gained asylum in the Soviet Union. However, hundreds of non-communist refugees were sent to the labor camps. Following World War II and the USSR-backed pro-Soviet coup d'état in February 1948, Czechoslovakia became part of the Soviet-led Eastern Bloc and was one of the founding members of the Warsaw Pact in May 1955. In August 1968, in response to the Prague Spring pro-democracy reforms of the Czech government, the Soviet-led invasion re-established the hardline communist rule by force. 108 Czechs and Slovaks died and approximately 500 were wounded as a direct result of the invasion. This damaged relations between the two countries. Following the Velvet Revolution of 1989 and the dissolution of Czechoslovakia in January 1993, the independent Czech Republic joined NATO in 1999 and the European Union in 2004 and realigned its foreign policy and economic interests with its Western allies. In December 2011, Russian President Dmitry Medvedev visited Prague to sign economic contracts and cultural exchange. Both countries consider each other as an important economic partner. As a response to the Russian military intervention in Ukraine from 2014, the Czech Republic has participated in enacting economic sanctions against Russia. In March 2018, the Czech Republic expelled 3 Russian diplomats as a reaction to the poisoning of Sergei and Yulia Skripal in the United Kingdom. In March 2018, the Czech Republic arrested and extradited a Russian hacker into the United States on their request. Miloš Zeman, President of the Czech Republic from March 2013, has been described as one of the European Union's most Kremlin-friendly leaders, with some of his close aides said to be agents of Russian intelligence. Zeman has supported Russia on issues such as the Russo-Ukrainian conflict, whereby defying NATO's and EU's official policies. On 17 April 2021, the Czech Prime Minister Andrej Babiš announced that the Czech Republic was expelling 18 Russian diplomats it had identified as GRI and SVR spies, after the Czech intelligence agencies had concluded that Russian military intelligence officers, namely members of Russian military intelligence GRU's Unit 29155, were involved in 2 massive ammunition depot explosions in Vrbetic, near the Czech-Slovak border, in October 2014. Shortly after, the Czech Republic formally informed the NATO allies on the matter and requested a joint statement at the NATO level as well as a follow-up North Atlantic Council meeting to discuss other possible coordinated steps. Following Russia's disproportionate retaliation, the newly appointed Czech Foreign Minister Jakub Kulhanek on 21 April gave Russia an ultimatum, saying Russia had until 12 p.m. the next day to allow the return of all the Czech diplomats it had expelled from Moscow back to the Czech embassy in Moscow, and if that did not happen, he would cut the number of Russian embassy staff in Prague so it would correspond to the current situation at the Czech embassy in Moscow. The value of trade between the Czech Republic and Russia is in billions of US dollars. Most imports from Russia into the Czech Republic are raw materials such as fuels and metals. Exports from the Czech Republic to Russia are mostly manufactured products. However, Russia is a marginal trade partner for the Czech Republic, as it is the destination of only 1.7% of Czech exports. As of 2016, the vast majority of exports from the Czech Republic go to other EU members. While economic relations were good prior to the 2014 sanctions, and the CZ